waves occasionally around 6 feet. Thursday, north winds 10 knots or less.
Here we go. Here we go. Yes, it's activated. Yes. Yes. Here we go.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz.
Yes.
The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device at this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations,
Yes.
specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, the East Central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland at 11 a.m.
Nice.
Imported drizzle and fog, Ohio. Temperature 40. And finally, in East Central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
Okay, so first activation on my version 2 here. First activation on this baby, which is pretty nice. Also, as you noticed, for my... Are you kidding me? WR300, are you kidding? Okay, well anyways, I have no idea why it says no message, but it said weekly test statement. But I guess I'll have to remove that now since it does a glitch. Well, yeah. All my radios got it. I have no idea why the quality on this was kind of but you know. Anyways, and yeah, guys, first activation, and now we wait for State College at 11:10 a.m.
This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Here is the latest. This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. This is NOAA's National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station, KHP31's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast North Carolina: Bladen, Brunswick, Columbus, Pender, and New Hanover. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio public warning alarm system. We now return you to the normal program schedule.